And
in an interview for MTV's Talk Picture program, Head of Mission of Australia to PNG, Deborah Stokes, says the deterrent of being held in centres off Australian shores is paying dividends.
Big steps have been taken to address that, and a lot of communication has gone to the transferees about what the process is, and Papua New Guinea itself has developed its own capacity for the processing and taken a lot of steps in that direction. So a lot of people have had their initial interviews. Preliminary decisions have been taken already for, let me say, I've forgotten exactly the number, but certainly in the tens of transferees know whether they have an initial decision that they are a refugee or they're not. And I think the fact that we have seen this process moving forward has been very important for the people who are transferees there, who are in the centre. And in fact, it's I think important to note that more than 300 have in fact chosen to go home voluntarily, and I think that means the numbers at the centre have also declined.
According to High Commissioner Stokes, there is also a policy being worked on that points to the settling of some of these transferees in PNG.
We're looking forward to Papua New Guinea making some decisions about the settlement policy, and we recognise this is a big new development for Papua New Guinea, and it is a member of the Refugee Convention, so it's good that it's developing its policies for refugee settlement. And we're waiting on final decisions on that, but a lot of very good work has gone into the development of that policy, and the government appointed an expert panel to provide advice, so people from civil society as well as people from retired public servants and so on, so people who have a lot of good knowledge to bring to bear on this particular challenge for Papua New Guinea. And so as a result of that process and consultation, the PNG government has formulated, the relevant agency, ICSA Immigration Agency, has formulated a policy which is now waiting on government endorsement. So that's where that process stands right now.
The full interview with the Australian High Commissioner is featured on tonight's Talk Picture program at 7:30. Neville Choi, National MTV News.